So hey guys, this is Neha here and you are watching Health Grooming Lifestyle. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can make a very simple skin glowing, or you can say a skin brightening DIY at home using only one special ingredient with milk cream. So before I start the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss the latest updates. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, we need milk cream which shouldn't be hot. It must be lukewarm in nature. Now in this we are going to add a very special ingredient which I was talking about. This is nothing but mustard oil. So we are going to add this. Guys, do watch the complete video because without knowing the whole procedure, you won't be able to get the expected results you want. So now with the help of spoon, I am going to mix it thoroughly. It's almost done. Okay, now I am going to show you how you have to apply this, how we have to use this mixture on your face. Just apply it on your skin, making a thin sheet, and leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes. It will completely absorb the mustard as well as the milk cream on your skin. So after waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, it will gonna look like this. So you see how this face mask is completely absorbed in the skin. So just wash it with lukewarm water, and now we will see how it will look after washing. Now guys, look at this. You can see the difference, the part where I have applied this face mask. You can see it. So guys, I hope this remedy will help you in brightening your skin, in developing your skin color, your skin tone. Okay, so hope this video will help you, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata, take care, and Jai Hind.